Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door gasket on your oven. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's damaged and you can feel hot air seeping out of your oven. For this repair, we'll be using a flathead screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Now keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. We're going to open up our stove here. So this right here is our door gasket. In order to get it off, we're going to pull one of these ends out of the hole that's stuck in, and then we're just going to go around pulling it up like so. And you'll see right here it has these little clips that are holding it in place, so you don't have to be too crazy with it. But if you find right around the area where the clip is and just pull up straight, you should be able to remove the clip without a problem. And some of the clips might actually give you a little bit of a problem there, but you should be able to still pull them out and remove the old one, just like this. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement door gasket. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now what we're going to do, we're going to put the clips into place, and they just push straight down and snap in. And we'll do that around the entire length here. So now that we've got all of those clipped in, what we can do is we can take a flathead screwdriver and then just use that to push the end into the slide hole right there. Same thing on this side. Get the end close to the hole and use the screwdriver, push it in. And now you can close up your oven door and your repair is complete. So my coworker here has just explained the word many for me. Thanks. It means a lot. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.